Today's my big day. Better hurry, Ken's waiting for me.
Ah, so dirty. Hey, Barbie.
He's so handsome. Who's this? I love you, Ken.
I do.
I do. Really? On my wedding day? I can't believe Ken betrayed me like that. Ooh, what's that? A new doll? Finally! Huh? Ew! You really stink. Let's clean you up. Now let's pick out some dirt. Wrong web, spider. Ew, nasty. Ew. You need extra care. I'm coming in. Huh? What are you doing? I'm giving you a full body service. I hope you like a little fairy dust. You need some sparkle after all that dirt. Now, time to cleanse. Ooh, this looks so relaxing. Maybe I should get myself one of these. Almost done. Looking good. Ooh, you got some on your face. It's bath time. The trick is to go all the way in. I said all the way. Let's cover up a few spots here. I knew a bubble bath would help. Wow! You're all clean! You'll be ready in no time. Ooh, this didn't work. You need a proper shower. Can't believe this bubble bath didn't work. But I guess double cleansing is in. Good thing I didn't throw this out. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Am I right? And now let's talk shower walls. Looks great, huh? I think Barbie would love this. I chose it just for her. What else does a shower need? A shower head, of course. They don't go in Barbie's size, so we have to be creative. Just poke some holes in the clay. You can do as many as you want. But I think this amount is perfect. No project is complete without some hot glue action. Now squeeze! Then take your straw and attach it to the shower head. Of course, the hot glue has to be pink. Barbie wouldn't have it any other way. Make sure it's secure and you're done! Wow! Something is missing. Aha! I know! Ta-da! It matches the walls. Barbie's gonna love this. Are you ready for a shower? Whoop! Let's cover you up. Enjoy! No peeking. Let's give her some privacy. Enjoy! Wow, so refreshing! Time's up! You smell so nice! Oh, so dirty! But don't worry, I know a hack. Time to play dress up. I've always wanted to be a designer. Barbie will be my first muse. I gotta make sure this dress is perfect. Ooh, I'm feeling so professional. I hope this will fit her. Fitting time! Whoa, ready for the runway! Wow, we look the same! Twinsies! Huh? Almost. She needs a cute headband like me. This bottle cap will do, but it's the wrong color. Wrong size too. There you go. Let's change the color. Whoop! Perfect! But you need a house. I know who to call. Hello?
Maya?
Yes, it's me! Wow, it's my dream house! Barbie, what do you think? Oh, Maya, it's also my dream house! You're amazing! This is so exciting! Woo! Come here! This should be easy. Hiya! Huh? Dad!
Yes, honey.
Can you build this for me?
Of course, honey. This is child's play.
Thanks, Dad.
Let's see.
It's very easy, right?
Easy? What is this? We need milk.
But the store is closed. Wait, where are you going? Anyway, what does it say? Got it. Now where should I start? Should be easy enough. Parts, assemble. Ooh, all done. What do you think? Whoop! I forgot the big surprise. Barbie, are you ready for your house tour? Let's go! This house has everything you need. Do you want to go upstairs? Whoa, I could chill out here all day. And now to the bedroom. I designed it myself. Cool, huh? I wish my house looked like this. What do you think? Oh! Wow, Maya! This is the best house ever! Ah! Right?
Wow! Can you also fix the slide?
Dad, no!
Oh, whoa!
Wait. Huh? My stomach's grumbling. You need something to eat, right? Let's go. Only my specialty for a very special lady. No, silly, this isn't a candlelight dinner. Wouldn't that be nice, though? Maybe you'll have a date one day, Barbie. For now, I'll cook you dinner. This is an old family recipe. On tonight's menu, eggs! Looks cute, right? We're making miniature eggs for Barbie. And for the last step, yolk. Isn't this fun? It's done. Here's your order. Eggs! Bon appetit! Yummy! Oh? Oh, the best dish in town! Wanna go for a walk now? Oh no, I feel so full! Don't worry, I got you. Hey! Barbie needs some exercise, so we're gonna make her a bike. I don't think they make doll bicycles though, so we have to make one. We need a backseat here. This'll do the trick. I'll save that for later. I hope Barbie doesn't mind smelling like popcorn. Personally, I wouldn't mind. Let's use these old CDs for wheels. I heard they used it to listen to music in the old days. Where are the speakers, though? Oh well. They're Barbie's wheels now. Off you go! Whee! This is so fun! Huh?
Oh, Ken. Huh? Who's there?
Huh? Wow, she's so beautiful!
Ken? This is your new girlfriend.
Hey! Hi! Wanna play?
Your doll is pretty.
Hi, Ken!
You're such a pretty girl.
Thank you!
Will you go on a date with me?
On a date? Yes, I would love that!
Tomorrow?
Yes! You're going on a date! Oh no! I need to fix this. Let's go home. I need to hurry. Oh no! You're not going like this to the date. To the salon. Desperate times call for desperate measures. Sorry, girl. I have to do this. Ew, this is nasty. It's stuck to a bunch of hair. We need to chop it all off. Ew! Oh, you have a bald spot now. This doesn't look good. I know what to do. Don't worry, Barbie. We'll fix you up in no time. I'll put it back, I promise. Now let's take some of this ribbon. Any color will do, but I'm feeling blue tonight. I'm sure it will suit Barbie just fine. I have to take the teeny tiny thread and pull. This is so satisfying. I'll cut just above Barbie's hair length. This will surely cover up her bald spot. What a pretty color! Now let's give her some highlights. Yeah! Wow, it suits her so well! Nice! Ready for the date! Whoop! Your headband? Now you're perfect again! We're just missing something. We need makeup. Just relax and let me do all the work. This box has everything I need for your makeover. Ta-da! My trusty magnifying glasses. I can see your pores now. This better look good, Maya. I have to look perfect for my date. Trust me, Barbie. This will be the date of your life. Let's start with this blush. White blush? Are you serious? Trust the process. This look will get him blushing. Now let's add a pop of color. And for the finishing touch… You're as pretty as a daisy! So proud of this look! Beautiful! Now you're exactly like me! Hold on! What is this? Back to makeover! These nails are not acceptable! My eyes! Whoops! Sorry about that. Finally! I don't need this anymore. There you go! This is gonna be a little hot. But it will give you the best nails. Get ready! No! What is she doing? Oh, stop being dramatic. See? It's not so bad. Last nail. And done. Now you can choose a color. No, I don't want this color. How about this one? No, thank you. I don't like this either. How about this one? Yes, I love this one. Okay, let's find a match. Nope. This is it. We just need a little bit. Perfect. Better concentrate now to avoid mistakes. It's finished. Wow, I'm an artist. Your nails look great. Wow, now you're perfect. And you're ready for a date. Let's go. Huh? She said she would be here. Where is she? They stood us up. What's that? Oh!
Babe, I'm here for Barbie.
I guess your date is here. Can you?
Of course, beautiful. Let's go.
Oh, how romantic. Oh, now I'm alone. For you, madam. Huh? I didn't order anything. Huh? Labamas? An all-expenses paid trip? I don't need a Barbie. I want a vacation.